If you're a busy parent looking for easy and quick meal ideas that your kids will absolutely love, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 delicious and simple dishes that are guaranteed to put a smile on your kids' faces. So, let's dive right in. Cheesy quesadillas. Our first dish is the ever-popular cheesy quesadilla. This classic comfort food is not only super easy to make but also incredibly versatile. Just grab some tortillas, shredded cheese, and any other fillings your kids enjoy. Think cooked chicken, veggies, or even beans. Simply place the cheese and fillings on half of the tortilla, fold it over, and cook it in a skillet until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown. Cut it into triangles, and you've got a kid-friendly meal in just minutes. Mini pizzas. Next up, we have mini pizzas. Who doesn't love pizza, right? Start with store-bought pizza dough or English muffins as your base. Then, let your kids have fun customizing their own pizzas with their favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings. Pop them in the oven and bake until the cheese is bubbly and the crust is golden. This is a great way to get your kids involved in the kitchen and let their creativity shine. Chicken and veggie stir-fry. For a healthier option, try this easy chicken and veggie stir-fry. All you need is some cooked, cubed chicken, and a variety of colorful veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir-fry everything together in a pan with some oil and your favorite stir-fry sauce until the veggies are tender. Serve it over rice or noodles for a well-rounded meal that's both nutritious and delicious. Spaghetti and meatballs. You can't go wrong with a classic like spaghetti and meatballs. This dish is a surefire hit with kids of all ages. Simply cook up some spaghetti, whip up a batch of meatballs, and simmer them in your favorite marinara sauce. Plate it up, sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, and watch your kids' faces light up as they dig into this tasty meal. Mac and cheese bites. Last but not least, we have mac and cheese bites, a fun twist on the traditional mac and cheese. Prepare your favorite mac and cheese recipe and spoon it into a greased mini muffin tin. Top with breadcrumbs and a little extra cheese, and bake until golden and crispy. These bite-sized treats are perfect for little hands and make for a delicious and satisfying meal or snack. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy and quick meals that are sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. Give these recipes a try and let me know how they turned out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!